Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Aisha and I'm glad that you found me. Today I am reviewing this lovely hair that was sent to me from Victoria's Wig. I'm gonna show you guys what came inside the box. This is the bag that it came in. And it says, "Because you matter." Period. They have a little card in there with their information on there. It tells you how to take care of the wig and how to store it. This is so cute. Look at this. It comes in a little baggie like this. And in the bag, you get two wig caps. You get a dark one and a light one. And you also get an edge brush. This is so cute because I never got one of these inside my wigs. And it also comes with a comb, y'all. Look at this. It comes with a comb. And it also has a makeup brush for you to put some makeup on your part. And it also has tweezers. This is so cute. And then the wig. And this hair is 6 inches. Here's the hair. There's some curls on there. Okay, and here is the hairline. The hairline is pre-plucked. And it is a lace front. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. It comes with, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it comes with 4 combs, 1 in the back, 2 on the side, and 1 in the middle. And it also has the adjustable band. And it also has right here on the sides where you can put an elastic band at. This is the elastic band that came inside for the wig, so it does have that too. Just off the packaging, I love the packaging, and we're gonna go ahead and put this wig on for you guys. Try it on and see what it looks like. Make sure you guys check my description box. There is a coupon code down there. If you use my name, you will get 25% off. Make sure you guys check out their site as well. Y'all, I am so sorry. I was trying to do a time lapse and I did not realize how fast it was gonna go. So I'm so sorry about this, but it will go back to normal speed here in a second. So just bear with me, you guys. I will not be doing this in time lapse again. let's get into this hair. So this hair is 6 inches. It is 150 density. It is a 13 by 4 ear to ear. I think I'm echoing. Let me open the door. I tried to close the door because my kids is in the other room and I don't want it to be loud, but this is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, ear to ear. It does have a lot of parting space, like all the way through, so that is true. The hair had already came pre-plucked, and on the site it said that it was pre-bleached, so it's not really a lot of work that you have to do to this hair. If you're just now starting to get into wearing wigs, I would definitely recommend this wig because it already comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked. It already has the elastic band sewed in. I mean, what more could you ask for? Everything's there. Like, it is very beginner friendly. I do feel like I should have wore like a turtleneck for this hairstyle. Like, I feel like this sweater not doing it. I need like a turtleneck, something more. This hair just bring out a different type of look. Only thing I would say is I feel like I kind of needed like a size up in the cap because it is really snug. But other than that, I don't really have nothing negative to say about this hair. This hair is really cute, especially if you like shorter hair. It is really cute. But if you are interested in this hair, I will leave the link to this hair down in the description box so you guys can check that out. I did only put mousse in this hair like you guys seen, but I do feel like if I would have added like water, like sprayed it with water and the mousse, I feel like the curls would have even been more defined and gave it like a really cute wet look. So if you guys do get this hair, definitely try that out. I do feel like that would have been really cute too. I also want to thank Victoria Wig for reaching out to me to review this hair for them. I do appreciate it. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description box if you guys want to check this out. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video.